Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix creator fund not showing on TikTok. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open TikTok. Once you open TikTok, you simply need to click on profile in the right bottom corner and click on three bars in the top right and click on settings and privacy. Here you need to scroll down and click on report a problem, and once you are on that page you simply need to select the icon in the top right, that is pencil paper icon. And once you are on that page you simply need to click on pencil and paper icon again. Okay, and here you need to tell to the TikTok team that yeah, my creator fund is not showing. You can also attach a screenshot and click on submit. Then the TikTok team will contact with you in 24 to 48 hours and help you resolve your issue. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.